What up, Kevin? How's it going? If you're new to the channel, I'm Lance with Fox Body FX. Appreciate you checking us out. Go ahead and subscribe, get involved. We've got some cool stuff. We try to stay Mustang specific. We do a few other things as well. Definitely love the Fox Bodies here on the channel. So today in the video, we've got some cool stuff. I'm gonna give you an update on the car you see behind me, the Saleen SSC barn find. If you haven't seen that video, it comes out of the garage, out of a barn, basically, barn garage, covered, just dirt, algae, everything. All right, so you wanna check that out, so go check it out. There's gonna be a card right here if you wanna go see that video. Otherwise, this is gonna be a really cool thing that you're gonna be able to see at Foxtoberfest 2022, all right? So also, I wanna say that it's nice to have everybody come by, see you guys live in person, obviously. So I hope I see you at some shows. But actually, this weekend, I've got a big show that I'm doing. It's called Festival of Speed. It's here near me at my house. So looking forward to doing that. Cleaning up the car right now, doing a few extra little touches. Here it is, guys, the new Raptor. New to me, at least. Man, am I in love with this truck already. It is so fun. I've always wanted one of these, and it is a lot of fun to drive. It handles well, it sits up right high. You know, the ride height is really good on it. It's just, I can't say enough good things about it, and just only having it for really a couple of days. I haven't even got my tag on it yet. But it is just a fantastic truck. I'm looking forward to doing some fun stuff in it. So you'll see it on the channel. I'm really looking forward to having this truck actually pull the SSC. They're both white. They both got some cool graphics on them. I think pulling that will just be absolutely fantastic looking. Aesthetically, it's gonna be super cool. So I'm excited about that. I am planning on preserving this. So I'm definitely not going to be doing anything like a full restoration. It's not gonna be, hey, let's take everything apart, nut and bolt restoration. I love all the little nicks. I love the little character stuff like this. It's got one little rust spot really right here and a couple little nicks and stuff. But come by and see it at Foxtoberfest. This video is going out right before Foxtoberfest 2022. And you wanna check this thing out because it's just got such character. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, you gotta clean the headlights. You gotta take care of the headlights. And I'm thinking about it. I'm just not there yet. But I really actually like, it just gives it the character really that I'm looking for in a barn find. So one of the things that I have done also is I've started the process, I haven't finished, but I've I've got the chemical guys products. I've done 1 through 4 on that, and every step has really just brought the luster, brought the shine up even more. And I'm not here to sell their products or anything like that. I've used them for a while. I do like them. One of my first things I ever did when I was younger was I actually had my own detailing business. So starting a detailing business at 17 years old, still in high school, was really cool because I got to make some money and do things I liked and enjoy cars. And I really just like to try to do like cool cars. I worked at a classic car shop in Atlanta, North Atlanta, and then a Ford dealership, detailing cars, and a couple other dealerships as well. So I know how to do these things. I'm glad I do, but it is a lot of work. It is a lot of work. One of the things I will say, if you're ever doing this, just go easy on the paint. I've seen a lot of people that are out there with the buffers, the high speeds, or even the high, orbitals, just putting too much pressure, too much speed on it. So try not to do that, obviously. One of the other things I will say that I'm really excited about, obviously, is the Dugan car. It's got a piece of carpet on it right now. This is going back in the SSC, just sitting here right now because I got to put it back in before the show. I haven't had a chance yet to get that. Probably, I don't know if they can fix it So I'm gonna try to see if they can fix it, but the weave on it, if you guys didn't see one of the other videos, the actual weaving of the carpet, it's coming apart. So that's why I've got the carpet completely out, because I tried to clean it, and I think what I'm gonna do is just probably go ahead and replace it. I will keep it, obviously it's the original carpet, but I'll probably replace it. So, unfortunately, one of the things that I'm going to have to do is I'm gonna have to get some new floor mats. If you can see, all right, no floor mats. All right, the guy that I got the car from kind of dissed me on the floor mats. He's like, yeah, man, I'm gonna send them to you, and he never sent them to me. So unfortunately, I didn't get those. And a Saleen SSC floor mat is not an easy thing to find. So if you're out there watching, you got one, I'd love a hookup. So hit me up, email me, DM me something, and I'd appreciate that. But I've got a set of floor mats that do fit it. They're just not the originals. He was supposed to ship me those, never did. Hard to get in touch with. I've tried and tried. So at this point, it's just basically not gonna happen. Today, I was detailing it. Let's see. Down here, if you guys don't know this, all the Saleens have certain markings. As actually right here, they have a plaque. And so it's Saleen SSC number 85. And obviously that's just a piece of like probably double-sided tape or whatever that was used originally to hold it on. Now, I would say that that's got to be fixed. And so I'm going to fix it. Now, I'm in the process of doing that. So I haven't even started on it actually. I need to start on it and the camera is just doing its own thing. Sorry about that. I've got it inside. I got to clean the plaque. I'm going to re-adhesive attach it back to the proper place. The car's not missing anything. I have all the original paperwork I've shown you in another video. I also have the original owner's jacket, which I'm going to display. I think I've got a show tomorrow here locally that's called the Festival of Speed. And then I also have one coming up, obviously, at Foxtoberfest next week. So I think I'm going to bring the original driver's jacket for this car. The SSC's got an original jacket. And then I think I'll probably bring something else as well and display those. I've got a ton of paperwork, and it's just, you can't display all that kind of stuff. I don't know how you guys do that, but if you have any recommendations on how to display original documentation or things that, you know, you've really enjoyed doing, then hit me up, let me know. I'd love to know about that, because it's one of those things that's really just hard to do. You never know exactly, you know, what you really want to display, and then how to display it is another problem. In the back right now, obviously, as you can see, carpets are out, and I have got to get those back in and get that taken care of. Then obviously I'm gonna have to fix right here. This has a piece of foam. I actually have it in a bag, and so that foam's gonna have to go back in over the speaker box, so I can get that taken care of. And then from there, this thing is going to go to Virginia. Why Virginia, you ask? That's a great question, Kevin. Thank you for asking. Virginia has a really cool thing, and it's called Performance Autosport. And Mark Lamaskin at Performance Autosport is a great guy. He's been on the podcast. I don't know if you guys have seen him or not, but you're going to want to go check his business out, because he's got some really, really interesting things that he is starting to do there. And the main one is called dry ice cleaning. So dry ice cleaning, if you haven't seen the process, it's not a lot of people that use it. And so it's definitely something new that he's doing. I will let you guys make your own decisions, but it seems to be a very safe, very great way to especially clean the underside of a car that has some surface rust and just the grime. I think it also takes off the undercoating, especially you northern guys out there. So you're gonna wanna check that out. But anyways, Performance Autosport, he's everywhere, obviously. He's got a website, he's on Instagram, Facebook, and just does really quality work, and it's a new service he is starting to offer. So he has actually said, look, I want to help you, and I want to do the SSC. So I think we're going to bring it up there, and we're going to do the SSC and do a full video of him cleaning that thing, and it's just going to be awesome. So I'm really looking forward to that. And as I'm talking about that, I come out here and show you guys a little bit of the Raptor. So it's in really, really good shape. I think you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but somebody was a serious Alabama fan, the original owner, and they've got Alabama embroidered in both of the front headrests, which has to go. Even though I am not fair weather, but I'm just not a big sports, like, fan. But then I got Roll Tide in the back of the headrest. And again, it's just got to go. It's just not my thing. But the truck overall is in great condition. It's very clean. And also, bam, got the sub box under the seats. So I'm not sure what's in it. It is enclosed. It feels pretty good. It's probably a couple of 10s or 8s or something like that. But it's fun. Who the heck doesn't like a system? And if that's you, I'm sorry, because systems are rocking. So this thing obviously has a ton of stuff on it. I mean, to be a 10-year-old truck, all right, it is 2022, and this thing has 10-year-old truck with a lot of technology, all right? We got all these auxiliary switches and stuff like that, but then obviously right here, you've got off-road mode. It's got the trailer braking. It's four-wheel high and low. It's got a built-in nav, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. I love the SVT touches, the gauges. You've got the Raptor seats are really, really cool. I love this insert right here that kind of comes down. And then you've got the SVT floor mats. It's just a really good looking truck. It sounds really good. And of course the beefiness of it is obviously what everybody likes. It's just so wide. I love the freaking wide fender flares. The hood is freaking awesome. And of course, it's got the Mickey Thompson Baja tires on it. I believe these are 33s. It just does the right stuff, It really does. And white, it just doesn't get much better than white, in my opinion. Because white and black is it's hard to beat. White, black, yellow. I mean, I like a lot of colors. I've got different things, different colored stuff, but a nice white vehicle, it's right on. Of course, that truck. One more quick update is obviously the gear. If you guys haven't noticed, this whole video should have already said something, but brand new hats, shirts. Hit me up if you want one. The website's being built. If you want one, just send me a DM. I'll hook you up, ship it to you. Or if you're going to be at a show like Foxtoberfest or something else, I'm going to have them in person, so come by and see me. Otherwise, thanks for watching today. Hope you guys go check out some of the other videos. Have an awesome day and keep working on those Fox bodies. Keep finding the deals, keep driving them, have fun, and encourage somebody else to get a Fox body as well and be part of the club. See you soon.